In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import payroll into QuickBooks Online 2026 step by step. By the end, you'll know how to get your payroll set up, add employees, run payroll accurately, handle payroll taxes, and pull the reports you need. Keep your employer identification number, business address, and employee information handy so the process goes smoothly. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. From the left-hand menu, open Payroll. If this is your first time, click Get Started to begin the setup. Enter your business details, including your EIN, legal addresses, and tax information, exactly as they appear on your official records. Accuracy here helps prevent filing issues down the line. Next, add your employees. For each team member, enter their full name, address, pay type and rate, and their tax information from a valid W-4. If you plan to pay by direct deposit, you can set that up now by adding bank details. Direct deposit is optional but highly recommended for faster, more secure payments. Before moving on, take a moment to double check all tax details for both the company and each employee. To manage your roster going forward, go to Payroll, then Employees. Click Add an Employee to add anyone new. Fill in the pay rate. Whether hourly or salary, choose the pay schedule that matches how often you pay. Add tax withholding details, and include bank information if you're using direct deposit. When everything looks correct, click Save. Keeping this data consistent with your onboarding documents helps avoid mismatches during payroll runs. When you're ready to pay your team, head to Payroll and select Run Payroll. Choose the correct pay schedule and confirm the pay period and pay date. Enter hours for hourly employees and review any additional pay, reimbursements, or deductions as needed. Carefully review gross wages, employer and employee taxes, and any benefits or other withholdings. QuickBooks will automatically calculate federal and state taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and other configured deductions. Once everything is correct, click Submit Payroll. Next, handle payroll taxes by navigating to Taxes, then Payroll Tax. Review what's due and when. If you have automatic payments turned on, select Pay to process them. Depending on your subscription and settings, QuickBooks can also file certain forms automatically. Finally, generate the reports you need. Go to Reports and search for Payroll Summary, Payroll Details, and the Tax Liability Report. Set the appropriate date range, then download or print them for your records or your accountant. Saving your favorite report filters can make month-end and quarter-end